Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 149 and friends, today we are going to continue the same topic that we will discuss about Charitra means character related sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 149. Charitra means character. So friends, I had already told you in previous class also, basically character or Charitra means those sentences in which we basically mention about the image or perception of a particular person. We start imagining about him from inside and outside, that what kind of a person he might be externally or internally. Means is he very calm, polite from outside and from inside also, or he is very straightforward, very clever, witty, etc. So we just try to make a perception, or we try to just imagine about that particular person's character in our mind when we see him. So friends, let's see them with examples. किसी से कुछ ना मांगो. So in English it means don't ask anything from anybody. So friends, basically it is a advice giving type sentence, because in this sentence they are basically trying to say कि किसी से कुछ ना मांगो means किसी से कुछ मांगना अपनी इमेज खराब करने के बराबर है. Means don't ask anything from anybody. So basically it is a very helpful advice friends, because we should work hard to achieve our goals. We should not take help from any external person. If we have any potential, any special quality, then we are going to definitely success in our life. So basically they are trying to say that we should not take help or anything from anybody. So किसी से कुछ ना मांगो. So it is a character related sentence. मेरा ज़मीर इजाज़त नहीं देता. So in English it means my conscience doesn't permit. So friends, basically in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about his internal feeling. So basically is trying to say कि मेरा जो ज़मीर है वो इजाज़त नहीं देता. Means he wants to do something but his conscience doesn't permit. So it happens normally with many people that whatever they are try to do something and internally they are not fully satisfied. Their conscience doesn't allow them to do that thing. So मेरा ज़मीर इजाज़त नहीं देता. So in English it means my conscience doesn't permit. So it is also a character related sentence. तुम्हें सच बात बता देनी चाहिए. So in English it means you must come out with the truth, or you must tell or speak the truth. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically advising to another person that you should tell the truth to the other person. Means you should not keep that thing inside your mind, because it will automatically it will affect your personality. So whatever is you are trying to hide, you should directly tell that truth to that person externally. So basically in this sentence they are trying to say तुम्हें सच बात बता देनी चाहिए. Means you must come out with the truth, you must tell or speak the truth. So it happens with us also friends. In our family also, if we try to hide something, if we don't want to tell anything to our family members, so our family members and basically they force us, what happened to you, please tell the truth. At least you will tell the truth once, it will hit us hard, but for lifetime we are going to aware about that. So friends, this is also a character related sentence. उसने अपने पाप का प्रायश्चित किया है. So in English it means he has atoned for his sin. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about a particular person that उसने जो भी गलत काम किया है, जो भी उसने पाप किए हैं अपनी लाइफ में, उसका उसने प्रायश्चित कर लिया है. Means he has atoned for his sin. So friends, it happens from other various persons in society that normally is no person is good in our society. We normally do wrong deeds or crimes etc. in day-to-day life. Means hurting anyone's emotions or beating anyone or doing anything else. We normally are not pure from anywhere. So basically in this sentence उसने अपने पाप का प्रायश्चित किया है means he has atoned for his sin. So in this sentence the person is basically trying to say that the person who has committed sin or crime etc. he has basically atoned for his sin. Means उसने अपने पापों का प्रायश्चित कर लिया है. So basically it is a character related sentence. वह हर समय बात करती रहती है. So in English it means she always keeps on talking. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the physical personality of a particular female person. So basically is trying to say वह हर समय बातें करती रहती है. Means she always keeps on talking. So friends, it happens normally with us also, friends. In our family members, there are different kind of persons who have different personality. Some are very introvert, some are very extrovert. So those who talks loudly or at a very large level, so we normally say them that they are very extrovert, they normally shout or they normally keep talking from whole day basically. So in this sentence also, वह हर समय बातें करती रहती है means she always keeps on talking. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And basically in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the talkative nature of a female person. So it is a character related sentence. वह अपनी बहन से बहुत ईर्ष्या करती है. So in English it means she is very jealous of her sister. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically mentioning about the quality, basically a bad quality of a female person. Basically he is trying to say वह अपनी बहन से बहुत ईर्ष्या करती है means she is very jealous of her sister. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence. And friends, today in this modern world, no one is satisfied with another person's success. So it happens normally with every person in society or in our family also, that if you are earning very good income or if you have everything of your own, then your real brother, sister or any cousin etc., they won't feel happy or satisfied with you. They will not, they definitely they are going to feel jealous from you. So basically in this sentence, वह अपनी बहन से बहुत ईर्ष्या करती है. She is very jealous of her sister. And since in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the character of a female person who is very jealous about her sister's success, so it is a character related sentence. हमें तुम्हारी ईमानदारी पर पूरा भरोसा है. So in English it means we are sure of your honesty. So friends, in this sentence the person is basically fully satisfied with the honesty of another person. Means he has seen him so closely that he is very much satisfied about his honesty. So हमें तुम्हारी ईमानदारी पर पूरा भरोसा है. So in English it means we are sure of your honesty. So friends, it happens with us also, friends, if we are basically working with any person who is very trustworthy, who is very calm, polite, simple, hard working, and he does his work very honestly without any cheating. So we normally feels that this person is quite decent, good, honest. So we basically we put a lot of burden of lot of effort to that person. So basically in this sentence, हमें तुम्हारी ईमानदारी पर पूरा भरोसा है. So in English it means we are sure of your honesty. So it is a present type sentence, friends. Basically in this sentence they are basically mentioning about the honest character of a male person. So it is a character related sentence. वह ऐसे दिखाता है कि सब कुछ जानता है. So in English it means he pretends to know everything. So friends, basically in this sentence they are trying to say, they are basically mentioning about a particular person that he shows himself that he knows everything about him, everything around him. So वह ऐसे दिखाता है कि सब कुछ जानता है. So in English it means he pretends to know everything. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And friends, normally we see in our day-to-day life, in our surroundings also, we see various people that they don't do any work of their own and they don't have any knowledge also, but they try to show us that they know everything around themselves and everything about the world, nature, city, country, or anything about general awareness, everything. So they pretend in such a way that they are very intelligent, they know various things more than us. So similarly in this sentence, वह ऐसे दिखाता है कि सब कुछ जानता है. So he pretends to know everything. So basically in this sentence they are basically trying to show the character of a person that he knows everything about everything around him. So friends, this is also a character related sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 149, in which I tried to explain you about charitra means character related sentences in our English language. And friends, basically these kind of sentences we normally speak in our day-to-day life when we try to figure out the image of a particular person, when we try to meet him or when we meet him. So we normally make an image of perception in our mind that this person might be of this kind of nature from inside and outside. So friends, these kind of sentences we normally speak in our day-to-day life. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about character related sentences. And friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk with your parents, friends, relative, neighbors, etc. And what will happen friends, ultimately with the passage of time, you will realize that your confidence has boosted up, your personality has groomed, and ultimately you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of another person. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, at last I would like to request you again that please keep practicing these sentences daily, because these sentences are very simple to speak, and if you will keep practicing them daily, so you will realize that you have become a perfect and fluent English speaker in front of bigger society or in front of bigger perspective. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.